Everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru and TusharGlobalServices.com. Welcome all of you today on 27 July 2023. Today we have some fascinating news from the Kerala's Cardamom markets. After a surprising 12% surge in last two trading sessions, prices have taken an unexpected turn, witnessing a sharp fall. But don't worry, the demand for quality cardamom remains strong, and we are here to unreveal the reason behind this market flux. In recent days, Kerala's cardamom markets have been a roller coaster of fluctuations. The maximum price is managed to maintain above 2000 rupees per kg, a sign of robust demand for top-notch produce. What's causing this roller coaster? It's all connected to the most well it's all connected to the onset of harvesting season. With the harvest in full swing, the markets have experienced an increase in cardamom arrivals. However, concerns over crop yield due to subpar rainfall have caused uncertainty over future production volumes, sparking a rally in the spot markets and further fueling market volatility. Let's take a closer look at the latest trading session figures. Arrivals in Kerala's primary market stood at 86,234 kg, a notable decrease from the previous session. The total quantity sold was also lower at 79,247 kg. However, there is a silver lining. The uptake rate for the day was reported at 92%, indicating sustained demand. Idukki, one of the prominent markets in the region, witnessed some interesting changes. The highest cardamom price reached 2104 rupees per kg, reflecting a 7.6% drop from the previous day's price. The average price per kg showed a minor increase. Now let's dive into the specific cardamom grades and their prices in the Idukki market. The 7 grade range range in price between 1410 to 1500 rupees, while the 7 to 8 grade range from around 1450 to 1700 rupees. For grades 8 and above, the prices range between 2000 to 2200 rupees. Turning our attention to the prominent markets in Karnataka, it seems that the bulk grade cardamom prices are relatively weak. The cost per kilogram for bulk quality varies between 1410 to 1560 rupees. Additionally, let's explore the prices for different cardamom grades in Karnataka. For the 7 grade, prices range from 1440 to 1520 rupees. The 7.5 grade is priced between 1650 to 1750 rupees, while the 8 grade fetches prices between 2100 to 2200 rupees. And there you have it, the intriguing twists and turns in Kerala's cardamom markets. The harvesting season's impact, coupled with concerns over crop yield, has sent prices on a roller coaster ride. Yet, the demand of quality cardamom remains strong, offering hope for both farmers and consumers alike. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.